It's a bit cold today and a little bit windy, but I'm running out of days and the weekend is supposed to be horrendous. So I want to get Dave 2.0 up in the air for his maiden flight. Yes, that's what I'm doing now. Big shout out to David Bleasby. Top man. Go and check out his channel. Alright, let's do this. Well, that was David 2.0's flight, first flight, maiden flight. Very successful. Very blustery here today. It doesn't sound it, but it is very blustery. The sun's just coming out. And I'm just going to work. So have a nice day. And don't forget to check out David's channel. Thanks very much. Bye.